welcome to my channel. Happy Vlogtober. So this look is a Halloween slash breast cancer awareness breast cancer awareness. This is the month of breast cancer awareness, and I kind of wanted to keep my thing with doing Halloween looks, but I also wanted to honor that it is breast cancer awareness. So I came up with like this like scarecrow kind of thing. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It's down there, just so you know. Don't forget, on your way out, after you watch the video, it's down there. I'm gonna take the Murad Hydro Ultimate Moisture and moisturize my skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Primer. 30 hertz, straight up. I'm gonna prime my lids with the Anastasia Eye Primer. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette with this shade here and just pack it into my crease. With my Juvia's Place palette, I'm gonna take this pink right here and blend that into my crease. Taking my Anastasia Riviera palette, I'm gonna go in with this pink here, Monte Carlo, and I'm gonna just blend that edge. Going back in with that Riviera palette, I'm gonna take Bahamas and just blend on top. Glam Light palette, this purple and 30 hertz, straight up. I'm gonna take my Revolution concealer in the shade C5 and cut my crease. Go in with that purple a little bit and just blend the edge. Now, going in with my NYX glitter primer, I'm just gonna go on top of that. My MAC pigment in pink, that's the name. Spray my brush with some setting spray. Elbow and just blend on top. This palette, I'm going to take this shade here and highlight on my brow and the inner corner. I'm going to go do my liner on my lashes and do my other eye off camera, and then I'll be back to do the Halloween part. Okay guys, I'm back and my other eye is finished, and I also applied my liner and my lashes, and I just applied the lashes, and the lashes by Kiss, they're the chiffon lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation by Fenty, the Hydro foundation in the color 410. Fenty concealer in the color 385. Okay. So we'll let that sit for a sec. And I'm back. Dang, I really let out this pin out. I'll be back. My literally fit me and just set. Go in with my NYX Jumbo pencil and milk, and I'm just gonna start on the Halloween part of this, and it's gonna be like kind of like a scarecrow, but my stitches are gonna be the ribbons for breast cancer. First, I'm just gonna draw out my nose. Anastasia Riviera palette, and I'm gonna go on with Bahamas, which is this pink right here. I'm gonna just set that on my nose. Do is outline it in black. I'm just gonna go with the Morphe Blackout Liquid Liner. So I'm gonna try to do one side off camera real fast, and then I'll come back and show you guys the other side. Okay guys, so I have this side finished, and this is what it looks like. So the ribbons are the exit, are the X's on the mouth. And you got this little pink nose, and so I'm just gonna do this attempt on this side. Let's get it. I'm taking a Morphe 217 brush to make a base of the ribbons real fast. Now I'm going to start with a angled brush and just start to color it in. Now I'm just going to go in with a Morphe 515 and darken. Was take my Fit Me with this same brush after I cleaned it off with my little, I'm just going to dot in the middle. 30 hertz, straight up. My Morphe eyeliner and just outline them. So So there's those, and I'm just gonna cover that white line with black. Take this and just set the rest of my face. I'm going to highlight. And so this is, I'm so sad about this show. This is my favorite lipstick by Urban Decay, and they're discontinued, and nothing. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade here and just smudge it underneath my eye. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe.